Smartz, my name is Sophia and welcome to our YouTube channel where we speak about all the latest news and events of our project. It's summer here, so we decided to go and film outside in the park. Our team has just returned from the first EOS hackathon, which was held in Hong Kong. The trip was an amazing experience. They really loved the people, the city, and of course the event itself. Although our team was not among the prize winners, our programmers have developed a unique and intricate project related to IoT billing the electricity on EOS blockchain using smart contracts and RFID tags. Soon you will have more detail on this case in our blog. And the day after the hackathon, we conducted a meetup for the local crypto community. The workshop was excellent and it gathered more than 40 people. Together with the guests, our team talked about the application of smart contracts in everyday life. We described how to launch your smart contract in a few clicks and how to develop it for Ethereum and EOS blockchains. Special thanks to Genesis Block HK for the help and organization of our workshop. So we loved this experience and we look forward to the next hackathon in Sydney. We also have a full video report about our trip in Hong Kong, which we will soon upload on our YouTube channel, so subscribe not to miss it. We finally prepared the technical white paper of our project and uploaded it to our repository on GitHub. For the developers of smart contracts that plan to use our platform, will be interesting to examine in more technical details. A link to this document can be found in the description to this video. Also, for our viewers as well as readers, we launched 2 educational formats. The first one is about use cases of smart contracts implementation. Every Tuesday, we will be telling you how smart contracts can be implemented in certain fields and real businesses. We've already published our first article about smart contracts in healthcare. The full text of these articles can be found on our pages in the Medium and Steemit. The second one is all about the blockchain that we called Smartz Thursday. Within the framework of short videos, the members of our team will simply talk about the complex things of the world of blockchain technology. The first video about the introduction to the blockchain technology is already released and you can find a link in the description to this video. Smartz is now listed in the Dapp. Smartz is now listed in the Universal Dapp Store app.co. It surfaces the best new Dapps every day and investors to geek out over the latest decentralized tech, from currency exchanges to mutant fill-in marketplaces. In order not to miss any of our new videos, subscribe! Come on, subscribe and be Smartz!